Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the appearance package, which is going to give you 20-inch multi-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards. Also included is the lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlamps and tail lamps, illuminated star in the grille, black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar trim, panorama sunroof, third row seating, trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, cargo cover, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, premium 1 package with heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has 20,969 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.